Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Gupta, Assistant Professor in Electrical Engineering Department, School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. My topic is electric vehicles in the near future. Basic information about electric vehicles. An electric vehicle is one that operates on an electric motor instead of an engine that generates power by burning a mixture of fuel and gases. Basically, it is of two types: all electric vehicle, which are powered by one or more electric motors. They receive electricity by plugging into the grid and store it in batteries. The another type is PHEVs. They use batteries to power an electric motor, plug into the electric grid to charge, and use a petroleum based or alternative fuel to power the internal combustion engine. Means it has both. Advantages of electric vehicle: most electric vehicles can travel up to 150 kilometers, no tailpipe exhaust, no oil consumption, means less reliance on fuel, cars can be recharged wherever is convenient to the user, more cost effective, cheaper to maintain, create less noise pollution because the engine is silent. Major components and working concept. The major components are battery, power converter, electric motor like BLDC and PMSM, clutch, transmission gearbox, drivetrain. When the accelerator is pushed, the controller or converter collects energy from battery source. Then the controller delivers the appropriate amount of energy to electric motors. Electric motors activate transmission drive shaft and mechanical energy is given to the wheels. Thus vehicle starts moving. The present scenario and challenges in consumer adoption of electric cars. According to media reports, currently EV market penetration is only 1% of the total sales in India, and of that 95% of sales are electric two-wheelers. 1500 electric cars were sold for personal use between April and December 2019. Challenges: charging infrastructure, which is a very complex topic; battery performance, which is under development; supply demand gap, it is a consumer chain; creating the closed loop, means the regular supply and manufacturing. The chart shows that from 2017 to 2030 it is projected that the region Asia Pacific will have approximately 75% of EVs in their market. Future of electric vehicles. Even with the low oil prices, the future of electric vehicles is bright. Battery costs are dropping fast, longer range, more charging stations, auto industries is embracing EVs, the global imperative to cut carbon pollution, more manufacturing companies are coming, efficient motors are developing, government policies and regulations are promoting, skilled workers are increasing rapidly, and startups are also contributing more today. This is the chart which shows that sector wise growth of the electric vehicles. Future projections. In 2015 it is calculated, but in 2030 it is estimated that 41% will remain pure ICE based vehicles, 18% will be captured by the battery electrical vehicles, and 2% will be captured by the hybrid vehicles. 39% would be captured by the full plus mid hybrid vehicles. Some future electric vehicles like cars: MG, BMW, VWID, Dacia, Renault, Nissan, Fiat. Everyone is looking forward in this electric vehicle market and producing more sophisticated cars. In the bike sectors, they are also revolving around the technology. Three-wheelers, it is shown, buses are also coming in the market. Let's have a look on future EVs. In the first column there are cars in the near future. In the second column there are bikes and scooters in the near future, and in the third column there are passenger vehicles, passenger electric vehicles like three-wheeler passenger vehicles. Thank you.